How to upload on SoundCloud from your phone, iOS or Android. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload from on SoundCloud just from your phone. So first thing, download the SoundCloud app in the Play Store or the App Store, and then go to the SoundCloud and log into your account until you are here to the home page. Now all what you have to do is click here and you will be able to upload anything you want from your phone. Just click on this arrow right here in the top corner and upload anything from your gallery. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.